Good morning or afternoon now. It's Lisa with Soulshine and it's morning tea with me time, although I'm done with the tea and now I've moved on to water, so I've got my water. So it's almost like morning water with Lisa. Aw. Anyway, good morning. I've done the craziest things, and please let me know if I'm not alone here. I find that I've got way too much time on my hands, so I start digging into, hey, good morning. I start digging into weird things like my utensil drawer, like all the forks and knives, that drawer. And I don't know where all of the junk comes from. It just kind of accumulates. Like once I laid everything out on the counter, I was like, why do I need so many chopsticks? And where did all these plastic utensils come from? I never use plastic. In my mind, I'm thinking, well, maybe we'll go on a picnic and we'll need that plastic spoon, and I never do. So I usually bring an apple with me when I go on a picnic, and it's not really that often anyway, maybe just in the summer by Lake Redmond or something. But my point is, are you too getting into like weird cleaning things, stuff that hasn't been cleaned in forever and probably needs to? So the bottom of my utensil drawer was filled with like all those little crumby things, like maybe spices, and that's where I stand to make my loose leaf tea. So maybe some tea had dropped down in the crevices. I just don't know how it accumulates so many crumbs and junk. So I had to pull out the absorbent, I don't know, what is that little plastic layer you put underneath your tray just to make sure nothing slides around inside the tray. And so I pulled everything out, wiped everything down really good, and put everything back. And then I'm like, ooh, I have choices. Do I want to put the big spoons with the little spoons? That's what it's come down to. Me deciding whether I want to restructure the way things move. And I'm like, I have all day. I can separate the small spoons to the big spoons. That's the kind of fun that we have here at Casa Weigart, or at least just for me. So I did. I separated little spoons that you would use to like scrape out your honey or maybe eat some yogurt, and then the big spoons that you would use to, eat like soup or really good ice cream because you want a lot on your spoon. I don't know. That's the kind of stuff I've been doing. Let me know some of the weird things that you've been cleaning. I did clean my Christmas stash. I went through every box and pulled out the things that I never use, I haven't used in years. And now I'm having a giant pile for Goodwill once it opens up, or some local churches that give out clothing and things like that. Like our piles of donation have just grown incrementally since we've been in here for almost a month. So let me know that if I'm not alone here. I've been digging into weird crevices that need to be cleaned and probably should have been a long time ago. But that's what I've been doing. So let me know some of the crazy things you guys have been doing. I love hearing that I'm not alone here in the crazy. So I'm going to jump off here while the house is quiet. Tim and the kids went to the grocery store and they're picking up their groceries. I'm going to sit while it's quiet and maybe write, because I like it when it's quiet, and then my mind can just kind of flow. But I did want to jump on real quick and see if I'm not the only crazy person out here cleaning up weird things, weird drawers, junk drawers. That's next. The junk drawer's next. So I hope that whatever you're doing today, you know that I'm sending you so much love. And join me, not tomorrow, because tomorrow's Easter. Happy Easter, by the way. And it's Sabbath, so we rest tomorrow. And then Monday I'll be back here for more morning tea with me. Love you much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.